Meshes are often ubiquitous in workflows that involve organic shapes. This can be medical, dental, or artistic design applications, or architectural, engineering, and construction applications, or even plant and vessel design workflows that involve large data sets. Moreover, meshes are increasingly popular for traditional CAD workflows and manufacturing industries like robotics, computer-aided manufacturing, and additive manufacturing. ACIS-based applications can now import and query meshes, perform any necessary healing and decimation, create mesh bodies, and perform basic Boolean operations such as unite and subtract on these imported mesh bodies. Such functionality extends ACIS into the realm of meshes and provides ACIS customers even more flexibility and performance for different types of geometric data. For example, ACIS-enabled dental applications can now import meshes of gingiva and teeth from intraoral point scans and query the meshes for anomalies, such as gaps or incorrect normal, heal any anomalies, and perform downstream Boolean operations such as uniting meshes of gingiva and teeth into one model. For more information on ACIS Polyhedra, contact your client executive or technical account manager today.